Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will show you video how to repair Samsung A30, A20, A50, A70 not turning on, date not charging. This problem is difficult. You can fix it if you have same problem. I will show you how you know this problem is going off your phone. If you following like my video, you can, I hope you will know as how to repair if you have same problem. Okay, first I separate the board. I will check now by meters. Battery positive is going short or normal. It's normal. Battery positive, not going short. Yes, normal. Now I connect charger and I will check again by meters. Output voltage is going normal or abnormal. Meter now DC volt, DC ohms. Here 5 volt and battery positive 0 positive. Yes, this is fault. I find it 1. Zero. Okay, now I find it output voltage is not going 5 volt or 4.5. I separate the motherboard and I will check finally what the fault in motherboard. Okay, after separate motherboard, I removed all camera components. Now I will connect power supply. Look, when connect power supply reading automatically voltage running. If you have same problem after connect power supply, look, the reading is going up voltage. This is problem. I identify, I have a advanced knowledge about if like the same problem after connect power supply. Is power supply machine reading automatically voltage because I has fixed it before many phone about if showing like this power supply voltage. Look, after connect power supply, I try to while going to short or hot inside, but I have a advance about this problem. If power supply reading like this, first I open the camera section. Still I will check by meters near the network section, RF, PF. If same reading normal, I will check next step power section by meters. First I open the network section, RFPF section, and I will show you step by step about the meters reading normal or abnormal. Okay, I have done. Separate remove steel near the network section. Okay, now I'll again checking the network section. It's normal. Near the capacitor components, they are reading normal. Yes, it's normal. Showing short, and I hope there is problem near the PF of PF IC or near the capacitor going short. I take a picture. I find there's capacitor, this PF IC short. First I will remove this capacitor component, then I again check it by meters. Is there short showing normal or still shorted? Still showing short. Okay, now last I remove near the this IC PF network. After remove PF IC, again check it by meters or power supply. Now showing normal. Oh, boom, it's now showing normal. I hope now ready to my board is running. Sometimes it's same problem. You can identify easy if your phone is short, no power, and near the any IC is shorted, you can identify easy. But in this problem, when you connect charger or connect power supply not going short highly, this is hardly to find it problem where it's going short. Look, now showing normal. Yes, if you have any phone like this same, after connect power supply not hot inside the any IC component, or after connect power supply reading automatically is voltage like a 1 voltage 2 voltage, like a 5% short or 10% phone is off. Okay, after connect power supply again, remove PFIC network. Yes, now not like before automatically reading voltage. I press now power button. Yes, working. Now turn it on, phone is running. Phone is running, but now without signal because I removed network PFIC. Now phone is running normally. Must be need to change this IC network PF. I have another board like same model. I remove from there IC and I put it there on this board. Is working finally. Network again. Okay, look this board.